Danger doesn't always look dangerous. Sometimes it's familiar, routine, comfortable. The most harmful things in human history were never hidden, they were normal. Here are 5 everyday things that seem harmless, but quietly put lives at risk every single day. Fact 1. Sitting for too long. Sitting feels safe. No speed, no height, no effort. But prolonged sitting slows blood flow, weakens muscles, and increases the risk of heart disease. Your body was built to move, not to stay still for hours. Some researchers compare excessive sitting to slow-motion damage. You don't feel it happening. That's the problem. Fact 2. Household cleaning products. Clean, smells safe. Bright bottles, fresh scents. But many household cleaners release toxic fumes, especially when mixed accidentally. Bleach and ammonia together can create poisonous gas. Repeated exposure can damage lungs, skin, and long-term health. The danger isn't dirt. It's what we use to remove it. Fact 3. Stairs. Stairs don't look threatening. They're everywhere. Homes, schools, offices. Yet stair-related falls cause more injuries annually than many high-risk activities. One misstep, one distraction, one missing handrail. Gravity doesn't need speed, just opportunity. Fact 4. Dehydration. Thirst feels minor. You ignore it, you delay it. But dehydration affects concentration, reaction time, and organ function. Severe cases can cause confusion, fainting, or worse. Your body doesn't store water well. It depends on consistency. Skipping hydration isn't dramatic. It's quietly dangerous. Fact 5. Sun exposure. Sunlight feels healthy, warm, natural, comforting. But prolonged exposure damages skin cells, ages tissue, and increases cancer risk. The danger builds slowly, year by year. No pain, no warning. Just cumulative damage you don't see until it's too late. Danger doesn't always announce itself. Sometimes it blends in, sits quietly, becomes routine. The most dangerous things are often the ones we stop questioning. This is Curiosity Vault. And normal was never harmless.